So with casework, I mean, obviously we want to listen, observe, and analyze. And I can tell you from personal experience, I've had probably over 100 cases assigned to me in law enforcement at one time, right? And working on one case, I'm thinking about 99 others, right? And it slowed me down because I'm thinking of all these other cases, right? Until they get to the point of, well, whenever I'm asked how many cases do I have, my answer is always one. Right? I may have 10 or 15 or 20, but I only have one. And the reason I say I only have one, because that is the one I'm working on. If you ask people who are, sharpshooters or marksmen, snipers, or military or police, whatever, or competitors shooting competitions, you ask the good ones, how many bullets or rounds do you shoot in this competition? And the answer is one, right? Because every one counts. It's not the 20 others. You're focused on that one at the time. Each shot is one. It's the same thing with a case. I have one case. So doing that is going to allow you to think better. You're going to see connections a little bit better. You're going to be able to focus a lot clearer, and you'll be able to put the case together as a whole. So sacrifice those other things because you will do that one thing much better. I can tell you as an example is when I was in law enforcement, I had a criminal that I had cause to arrest. We wanted him to be an informant, rather, because work for a bigger person. And we already had him for a crime, and I wanted him to admit to this crime, right? But my goal was for him to work and cooperate on this major organized crime case. And as I'm talking to him, he kept denying, I didn't do it. And I'm trying to tell him, we got you on the wire and the video and everything. But he says, but I'll work with you, right? I don't like that guy. I'll take him down. I'll work with you. But I kept going. Confess. And my partner pulls me aside and he goes, he's already wanting to agree to work, right? He wants to work with this case and cooperate. He doesn't have to confess, right? And I went, wow, yeah. So my goal was this, but then I didn't stick to my goal. It's the same thing with casework. When you have your goal is to finish this case, to find out who did it, that sort of thing.